Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This CELPIP writing task. One example shows you how to write a clear email. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. First, notice how the email covers all 3 points from the prompt. It clearly describes the problem with a persistent leak under the kitchen sink. It also explains when the issue started and how it affects daily life, making it inconvenient to use the kitchen sink. Finally, it asks for a solution and suggests a time for repair. The email has a good structure. It starts with a clear greeting and states its purpose. The information is divided into short, easy-to-read paragraphs. The tone is polite and formal, correct for a building manager. This shows good communication skills. You can see some helpful linking words. Words like also and finally connect ideas smoothly. We also used 2 slightly more advanced words to challenge you. Inconvenient describes something that causes trouble. Resolve means to fix a problem. These words help your writing sound more natural and precise. For your own emails, remember to address each bullet point. This helps get full marks for content. Also, use simple paragraphs to make your email easy to read. Good luck with your practice. This CELPIP Writing Task 2 example demonstrates how to write an effective response to a survey question. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The answer clearly states its choice for option A, a large music festival, right at the beginning. It then provides strong reasons for this choice. For example, it explains how the festival brings a lot of energy and excitement to the city. It also highlights the social aspect, noting that it creates a fun and social atmosphere, which addresses the prompt well. The structure of the email is very good. It starts with a clear introductory sentence. The body paragraphs flow logically, presenting one main idea per paragraph with supporting details. It concludes with a brief summary statement. The tone is positive and semi-formal, which is suitable for this type of response. Notice the helpful linking words used throughout the answer. Words like firstly, also, and therefore connect the ideas smoothly. The response also includes some good vocabulary. Beneficial means something that is good for you. Platform means a way to show or share something. These words help to make the writing more precise and interesting. For your own writing, always make sure to state your preference clearly and then give at least 2 distinct reasons to support your choice. This helps organize your ideas and makes your answer easy to follow. This CELPIP Writing Task 2 example demonstrates how to write a clear and well-supported response. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The answer begins by clearly stating its preference for option B, a series of small local workshops. It then provides excellent reasons to explain this choice. For example, it highlights how workshops provide valuable opportunities for residents to develop practical skills. It also emphasizes the calm environment, noting that they create a quieter and more focused environment, which strongly supports the selected option. The organization of the answer is very effective. It starts with a direct statement of preference. The body paragraphs are well developed, with each focusing on a different benefit. The conclusion clearly summarizes the main point. The tone is polite and semi-formal, appropriate for a survey response to City Council. Look at the useful linking words that connect ideas. Words like firstly, for instance, and therefore help guide the reader through the arguments. The response also uses some effective vocabulary. Valuable means very useful or important. Sensible means practical and reasonable. Using these words helps to improve the overall quality of your writing. When you write your own response, remember to explain why you prefer one option over the other. Providing clear reasons and examples makes your argument much stronger.